Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hi my friends, it's NGWorld. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make soap bar for skin whitening. It will give you fair skin, spotless skin. So the first thing we will need is one potato and wash the potato well. And if you wish to peel off the skin, then it's up to you, but I'm not going to because it contains a lot of nutrients and it will help our skin, so I'm not going to peel it off. And now we need to juice the potato like so. And potato contains natural bleaching enzyme that will help our skin to get bleached naturally without any side effects. And now we need to take all the shredded potato and juice it using a strainer like so. And now we need to put that juice aside until we prepare the soap. You need to let the juice rest, and I'm going to show you why, my friends. So now put it aside and start shredding the soap bar, and we will need 5 tablespoons of shredded soap. And now take the potato juice and carefully transfer it into a cup, not the whole quantity. As you can tell guys, that there is thick paste rest in the container, like the bowl. Look guys how it looks. This contains the bleaching properties, so this is what we're going to use, and it contains the bleaching enzyme. So now place it underneath a hot water and start placing the soap, and we need 5 tablespoons of shredded soap, and wait until it melts completely. And now I'm going to use this cup as a mold, and once it melts down, add 2 tablespoons of almond oil and wait until it melts down like so, and mix it well so you'll get the whitening juice mixed very well in the soap bar. And now I'm going to place it in this cup as a mold and put it in the fridge, or just leave it aside until it gets solid back. And once it turns to solid, here is how it looks. It took almost 40 minutes, and this gives permanent skin whitening when you use it regularly. And guys, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of upcoming effective remedies like that.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.